Hi, it's Ali here, jumping on again for Funky Fossil, and I've got another beautiful card to make for you using the So Pretty collection by Charlotte Blackwood. If you just have a look on my previous videos, there's three prior to this one, we did an introduction to So Pretty, which was where I actually went through the collection of stamps, dies and stencil, and then I've done a couple of cards since then, so this will be my fourth card, you know, apart from the first one that I did in the introduction. So I'm going to whiz through really, because as I said, I wanted to do some 5-minute shorts, really, a 10-minute maximum, because people, you know, love watching crafting videos, but sometimes it's like watching 20, 30, 40 minutes. Sometimes we've all got things to do as well, so I'm trying to make them a little bit shorter, but succinct enough and explained enough to say, you know, what it is that we're doing. So that said, I'll jump in. Now what I've done is I've used this beautiful Funky Fossil Grungy Roses. This is another one of my absolute favourite stamps, and one of my go-tos as well. I absolutely adore it, and I've used it in a lot of projects. So that's the first thing to show you that I've used, and I've used it on my jelly plate and created this background, and I've used it using the broken china and picked raspberry. And then in the centre, obviously, I've used a baby wipe. Again, I will do a video showing different background techniques that I do. I'm just trying to kind of whiz as much information in videos as I can, so for you. I've created a matte card, blank should I say, to pop it on when I've finished it. And I'm using those darling dies, the butterfly dies, and I've used both sections of it. I've used the solid section and the gorgeous decorative piece, and I'm just quickly going to grab some wet glue, and all you're going to do when you've cut those out, just to create a butterfly, I would have a glue that doesn't work, wouldn't I, when I'm videoing, typical. Yeah, bit of wet glue, and just pop your butterfly together. You only need to do it in the centre. Oops a daisy. You only need to do it in the centre because you're going to use that to create that height on your card. Same again with this one. So I've got pink and purple, and I've got a little bit of yellow and green here, just try and do something a little bit different colour wise. I'm trying to be a bit brave. And then I've got a gorgeous Collect Beautiful Moments sentiment from my Tim Holtz stash. I just thought that really looked nice with the butterflies. And then all I'm really going to do is very simple, pop it together in a nice way, you know, in a nice arrangement. So I'm going to pop the pink on the purple side and the purple one obviously over onto the opposite side. So pop that there like so. Okay, and then literally, this really literally is a very, very quick card. I feel like I'm shortchanging you. But yeah, it just goes to show that you don't have to spend hours and hours preparing if you don't want to or don't have the time to. So then pop that beautiful sentiment on there, and yeah, we're going to have our gorgeous dots. I need to make sure I take the bottom side off as well. So pop that there like so, and then just a couple of little ones. Oops a daisy. Pop that out of the way. Pop a couple of little ones up at the top. And that way like so. There we go. And I'm then just going to attach that to the blank card. And there you have another beautiful but quick card for your stash. Just make sure that doesn't come away. And there you go. Another absolutely beautiful card using the So Pretty collection. Really is becoming one of my very favourite collections, is this. Especially, it's just so, you know, lends itself to everything that you can possibly do. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and keep a lookout because there will be more videos using this collection. And until then, take care and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.